Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epson printer to MacBook via Wi-Fi. Quick method step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Epson printer. Ensure that your MacBook is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want to use for printing. Next, press the Wi-Fi button on your Epson printer. Look for the network name or SSID on the printer's display. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Now, enter your Wi-Fi password using the printer's control panel. Once you've entered the password, confirm the settings. Wait for the printer to connect to the Wi-Fi network. On your MacBook, click on the Apple menu in the upper left corner. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Choose Printers and Scanners from the options available. Click the plus symbol to add a new printer. Your MacBook will search for available printers. Locate your Epson printer in the list. Select your printer, then click on the Add button. The printer drivers will automatically install if needed. Once the installation is complete, your printer will be ready for use. To verify, try print. You are now all set to print wirelessly from your MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.